much reverb.
I think it's the Aurora. Maybe it's messing it up a little bit. When I talk closer to the mic, let's see what I got. I don't even know what I'm using here. Let's find out. We gotta find out. All right, that's not a problem there. So let's go to the next one. Take a look here. Yeah, maybe that one. Maybe that one we could drive down a little bit like that. There we go. All right. I can't do no more than that. That's all we got, Captain. She's breaking up, Captain. This is all giving her all she got.
Hey, Richie, is that you?
Your Aurora, because it's the Borealis.
It's boring.
God bless America.
I guess you guys up north ain't hearing me. W4DOM.
If we got a W4DOS. W4DOS, go ahead.
Yeah, Richie, is that you? This is W4DOM.
Dom, hey, Dom, what's happening? This is W4DOM. What's going on there, big guy?
Yeah, well, I'm just letting you know you're coming all the way down to 16. I don't know if you're aware of it.
Oh, my God.
To 16?
Hold on. I unplugged my headphone by accident. Darn thing got caught on the table and pulled out. Alright. The echo I had before, that was the feedback from the speaker. That's the problem, yeah. It was the feedback from the speaker. Now I gotta go back in there and fix that setting back. Put that setting back where it was. Hey, Dom, how you doing? Yeah, we're up here. We've been up here for quite some time. How you doing tonight?
Yo. Well, we're only making it down to 16. We should be making it all the way down to 14.
Yeah, roger that.
No, that's Dominic. Dominic's good people. Dominic, we're going to 14. We've been running the 8K profile all night.
Oh, God, please fix that. Please fix that.
Dominic, where did Dominic go? He went back down there or something?
Fix that damn radio of yours, huh?
Did you guys? He sounds like
We've been running like this all afternoon. All afternoon. The band was dead, so we were running it up there. Why? Any problems?
Yeah, you guys are 8K. Yeah, the frequency is in use. All 8 kilohertz.
We've been running this wide all night, all afternoon, actually. So, why, you guys were you bothering? You moving on top of us? I mean, I know Dominic, I know Art, I know them guys. I'm good friends with everyone. So, we can't accommodate or what?
Come on, man. For real. 8K CY. We're usually on 218, so what's the big deal?
Come on, there's no surprise. We're having fun. This is part of Rules and Regulations, Part 95, experimental transmission. We're running, what is it, JS8 8K. JS8 8K transmission. It's in the FCC rulebook.
We're half the width of AM station.
No different than AM, Frank. You got to look at it like that. You know, we're not doing anything different than an AM. So if we were on AM, it would be okay, and we could run 10 or 12.
But you know it's 40 meters, guys. Come on.
Yeah, it's 40 meters. We're not too far from the window, but the band is not full. The pattern's not full.
Lid. Alright, well, I'm going to go down and talk to my buddies.
The pattern's not full. You know, if somebody would have came on 3 hours ago and told us the pattern's full, we wouldn't have been here. But we've been here since nobody was around, and we've been talking for hours, no? I mean, but I know those guys. I like them. I don't want no trouble, but let me go down there and talk to them, see what's going on.
Well, if you go down here, you're going to be down at 2. He calls us a lid. We're running state-of-the-art radios and software, and he calls us a lid. Oh, he's a friggin' Biden supporter. What do you want? One of them America haters. How long have we been running 8K wide for now? Since like 5 o'clock. It was earlier than that, Harry. Yeah, well, I'm not wearing a watch, so, I thought I was being generous. So, if it was earlier than that, it was. But, at least, you just look at the pan adapter and just, hey, somebody's on, even if you don't have a pan adapter, somebody's in the band pass. So, what do? You slide that? No, they do what the lids always do. They just fire up in the middle of your pass, man. They don't. Yeah, well, Richie down there. Richie's down there. He's going all the way down to 208.
40 meters, bro. Do you want to get into this with me? Because I'll go all fucking night.
And everything went away, and all of a sudden it seemed like it got wider. K8 TTU.
Rich, see, that's the answer, Rich. That's why. Because you guys are being fucking dicks now. That's why.
We picked up
so if you want to be an asshole about it, I can be an asshole back.
We got more and more interference. We kept moving down the band more and more. So it's just the way it is tonight. Like I said, we're usually on 214.
But tonight you're on 216, right? If you were on 214, we wouldn't bother you.
No, hold on, Bill. Please don't answer, Dom. Hold on. You're being a fucking dick, Rich. Do you want to get into this? Because you and I can go all fucking night. Now you're just being a dick. And I'm telling you, I'm local, and I'm telling you you're being a dick.
I got to tell you, Frank, I thought you were a gentleman. I never, ever talked to you like that. I'm down here talking to these guys with respect and all, and I'm just asking some questions. But, Frank, I don't know why you're even involved, but you know what? You showed me your true color. So, okay, no big deal. 7-3, gentlemen.
When you're being an asshole, I'm going to call you out on it. That's why. Because these are guys I talk to, too. So when you're 8K and you're splattering in my bandwidth, that's why. So you don't need to get a gentleman. When you act like a gentleman is when you come in here and you're respectful of everybody else. Who the hell do you think you are? You said, oh, I didn't know this is a frequency being used. I mean, come on, who the hell are you?
And I went down there.
Frank, we started, there was nobody on. We've been doing the same thing all afternoon. Okay? And first come, first served. Nobody owns a frequency, and everybody knows that, and that's not the point. But Frank, I'm very shocked at you, very surprised. I don't think I want to know you anymore.
I don't give a shit what you think. I think you're an asshole anyway, so go ahead and go up there. And if you want, I'll come drive down to Long Island anytime you want to have this discussion in person.
Anytime you want. Okay, you want to come down here, you feel the need to talk to me, come down here.
Well,
absolutely will.
Just a second. One thing that happened, the band was dead this afternoon. It's just starting to open up now. So when you were on there 8K wide before, you weren't interfering because there was nobody on. It was dead. But now it's starting to come alive, and that's when guys are starting to come on, and that's where the interference comes in. And I asked you to let you know that you were coming down here, and you put the echo on and acted goofy.
I wasn't running an echo. I used the disguise voice, but not the echo. But, okay. Listen, I don't have a problem. I like Art. I like Dom. I know all you guys. I don't have any issues, and I'm going to keep it that way. But, Frank, you're out of order. I don't even want to know you. I'm very sorry. To turn on me that fast?
Well, I asked you nicely when I went up there, and I said, guys, really? You see there's guys down here talking. But you're still at 8K, so not even worrying about anybody else that's down there. So you're still at 8K. So you were 8K at 22, and now you decide to come down at 16 and be 8K down, so you don't care about anybody else. You don't care about anybody else, so don't talk to me about operating. I've been operating a long time, never had problems with somebody. But when you act like a jerk off, I'm going to let you know.
So I'll trim it up, right, because they're on 16. But I'm very disappointed in Frank QQF. Boy, oh boy, turned on me like a hot potato. And I had respect for the guy. I thought the guy was all right. And boy, oh boy, calling me all kinds of names. I'm very shocked at him. I'm very shocked. He showed me his true color, and that's what I was waiting for. So he showed me the true color.
Listen, here's your true colors, Rich. You fuck with me, I'll come to your house, and I'll wipe the goddamn floor with you, buddy. I'm not one of these guys on the radio. I'll burn all my fucking equipment. I don't care. Watch yourself with me. Don't fuck with me, because you're messing with the wrong guy. I promise you're messing with the wrong fucking guy.
I dare you. I double dog dare you.
Not said anything in disrespect, and you still coming here. I cut the transmission back. You're on 216. I'm not bothering you. It's cut. So what is the issue? What are you prolonging for? Are you looking for a problem?
And don't come up here talking shit looking for sympathy. Everyone thinks you're a jerk off anyways. So let me explain something again. Keep my name out of your mouth. I won't say the same to you. When you act like an idiot, you act like you're on CB, bro. You act like this is 7200. You're no better.
We weren't going down to 7,200.
Mike, I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to Rich. I'm not directing my issue with you. I'm directing my issue with him.
I swear. Why don't you go put
Listen, this bone, he's been trying to fix this bone for some time. I tried to help him the weekend before or something. He was having some type of overload, and he got mad at me then, and now he just don't like me. It's a personal thing. I guess that's what it is. Not a problem, Frank. I won't talk to you. Don't talk to me. If you think you have to come here, then come here.
Listen, I'm not looking to come there unless you start talking shit about me. That's the difference. I'm not out here telling everybody about this, about that. You sit here, you just started owning a piece of audio equipment, and all of a sudden you're like the guru. Everyone's laughing at you. We literally laugh at you.
Very nice. Like I say, kind words, Frank. Thank you very much. Very nice. I have not called you one name. I have not. Have I? Have I ever called you a name? Or have I called you an asshole like you're calling me? Have I called you a jerk off like you've been doing to me tonight? I haven't said a word.
Treat you the way you act. You come out there, I said, hey, really, you're at 8K? You see the guys are down there, you see they're talking, and then you come down and then you start doing it again. Listen, man, listen, I don't bother you, I leave you guys alone, but when you start interfering with my QSO, then I have a problem when you're at 8K. When the band's not open, hey, no one's there, but now the band's starting to get packed, it's open, people haven't been able to get on for days, and now you feel entitled to now go 8K wide.
Frank, like I said, the frequency nobody owns. It's first come. But listen, I'm not gonna get into it. I'm done. I don't want to speak to you ever again. I'm done.
You're doing me a favor, trust me. You trust me, you're doing me a favor.
Whatever. I'm done. You can talk all you want. First come, first serve. You moved in on us. We were here all afternoon, not bothering nobody, and that's the fact, Jack. Okay? You don't move in on somebody else. You move down away, you go somewhere else. That's how I always did it. But we was first come, first serve. We were here all afternoon. Not a problem. But, when Dom came up and mentioned it to me and I knew it was Dom, I said, whoa, I'm friends with these guys. So I cut it back, okay? But it's not good enough for you, Frank.
Rich, I gotta be honest with you. I'm gonna send you a radio, and it's gonna be an 11-meter radio, because that's the way you're acting right now.
I strangled myself for a while. For chicken wire and shit.
Now, I'm gonna ask you one more thing, Frank. Are you trying to impress Eddie Fudd? Is that who you're trying to impress? Because I know you talk to him on the phone. Are you, like, trying to impress Eddie Fudge?
I don't even know what the fuck you're talking about. Impress anybody, Rich? You think I give a shit? I'll blow all this fucking equipment up. You think I care that much? You insane?
You've been talking to me quite a bit for the past couple of months, and if I'm all this, I don't get it. I don't understand.
You act like you're 11 meters, bro. You act with the echo, the voices. I mean, come on. Act your age. You treat this like some respect to the radio. You come here, you just act like it's EA. Forget it. I can't even with you anymore. There's a reason jammers follow you around and harass you all the time, and no one ever really bothers me.
Different effects. Not just me. I use my voice.
Yo, Frank, you got a problem?
That's what I use tonight. So, what do you mean echo? I haven't had an echo.
Rich, they bother you all the time. They never bother me because I don't start shit with nobody. Let you go blow me.
I'm done, Frank. I'm done. I'm very shocked, really. I can't get it that fast. You turn on me. That means you never liked me. But, okay, so I got it. No big deal. We don't talk no more.
I don't know.
Not no more anymore.
Wow.
Ignorant son of a ignorant.
There's too many queers in the world.
Hey, I agree with you there, Sally.
I was hoping we could just get along.
I agree with you, Sally.
Shut up and stay out of
Listen,
this.
I was minding my own business. In fact, most of the conversation, I was cleaning the room, hooking up speakers.
Here we go. I was walking down the street one day.
Let's all regroup. This is a hobby, and we're supposed to be having fun. So let's, if you're not having fun, hang it up for a little while. Come back when you're having fun.
Alright, I gotta go. I think I peed myself through all of this.
This is for enjoyment.
All the queers are here. Get them. Put them on the stake. Burn the fuckers.
Every last one of you.
Wonderful language. You must be ignorant.
Oh, breaker.
You got the call sign here?
I mean, if you have to use language like that, obviously.
Of course they don't have a call sign. That's because they're faggots. It's well aware.
AMC wants all their call signs for his logbook.
Start us out at 200 here. Let's regroup, fellas. Everybody, one big happy family here. Regroup.
Not my family, Brady. Not my family.
Give me one medium back.
Oh, that's a big waddle doodle.
Eddie, Isaac, how are you?
How you doing, Eddie the Brute, man? I haven't heard his voice for a couple of days there.
I don't come on here too much. Been kind of busy. I do a little listening every time.
Put him up.
That's the way it is, lots of stuff to listen to out there.
No problem. I'm hearing your voice this evening, so that's a good thing. I'm mighty glad to also from everyone being him.
Hey, that's a
Yeah, good evening, Isaac. Hope you're all right, brother. Back in the fact. Go away.
Okay. I'm over here. I'm listening there. No problem. All right. Everyone being him.
those are fighting words. Put him up.
All right. Eddie from the Bronx here. Bravo 2, Victor Whiskey. You fellas carry on. I'll be listening.